I've had many Singer sewing machines, and this is the best one yet.
I am really in awe of what came with this machine and all it can do. It's more than I expected. I love it, and I would recommend it to any type of sewer.
This machine is an incredible value, and I would highly recommend it.
Customer reviews say it all. Singer's 9960 Quantum Stylus sewing machine features sophisticated functions and smart technology. Now you can have high-end features at a great value. Whether you want to create a quick project or sew like a pro, the Singer Quantum Stylus sewing machine has everything you need and more. You're sure to have the right stitch for every project with 600 built-in stitches, including 5 alphabets to choose from. With just a touch of a button, stitches can be mirror imaged, adding even more stitch variety. Press the elongation button and stitches can be made up to 5 times longer.
This stitching is beautiful. I like the variety of stitches, which makes projects look professional and polished.
Buttonhole sewing is a simple one-step process, providing consistent results. Choose from 13 buttonhole styles. The exclusive buttonhole underplate ensures perfect buttonholes, even when sewing close to heavy seams.
I love the unique stitches, the ease of operation, and the performance of the machine. The Quantum Stylist, it's just the best machine I ever owned.
When you choose a stitch, the machine automatically displays the recommended presser foot, so you can sew your projects with confidence.
It's quiet, it doesn't skip stitches, looks pricey, and it helps me pick out the attachments that I need for my project.
The Singer Quantum Stylus sewing machine has a heavy-duty metal frame. This rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment, providing skip-free sewing and overall durability.
It's absolutely the quietest machine I've ever heard, but a total workhorse.
My main interest was to get a powerful motor to work with heavier fabrics, and I got what I wanted with the Quantum Stylus. You can do almost anything with this beauty.
This machine handles everything from heavy denims to the lightest shears. You can sew them all with confidence. The 7-segment feeding system and box feed work together to provide perfect and equal contact with the fabric and presser foot, ensuring accurate fabric feed. When you're done sewing, just press the automatic thread cutter button, and the machine automatically trims the top and bobbin threads for you.
I love the built-in thread cutter. It saves time and thread.
Stay Bright LED lights illuminate the sewing surface for optimal viewing of your work. These lights will last for 100,000 hours and are always cool to the touch.
Wonderful machine. I learned to sew on a Singer, but could never afford a good top of the line.
Now you can have high-end features at a great value.
I love this sewing machine. I'm new to making quilts, and this machine has all the necessary tools I need. It's also very quiet, and it's easy to transport to quilting classes.
I absolutely love it. It sews well, and the decorative stitches are great additions to quilting projects.
The Singer Model 9960 sewing machine is great for quilting, top stitching, and applique. The machine also has drop feed, allowing you to lower the feed dogs so that you can do free motion embroidery, monograms, as well as stipple quilting.
It comes with so many presser feet, you can do almost anything with this beauty.
I love this sewing machine. It comes with all the feet I will probably ever need.
You'll love the large selection of presser feet and accessories with onboard storage. Customize your machine's sewing speed for your project. Unplug the foot controller, press the start button, and the machine sews. You are still in complete control. Just slide the speed lever to set the perfect speed for your project. The presser foot lifter has 2 heights. The second position offers more clearance, which is convenient when placing multiple layers or bulky fabric under the presser foot.
I'm very happy with this machine. The extra large sewing surface is awesome. I use it all the time.
An extension table is included, providing you with a larger surface, essential for quilting or when working with larger projects.
The price is great for all the features it has. I'd recommend this to beginner and advanced seamstresses.
Before I bought this one, I tried all of the top brands. I came back to Singer because I love this machine. It has every bell and whistle you could want.
The Singer 9960 Quantum Stylus Sewing Machine is loaded with many of the convenience features you would expect in a higher-end machine, like simple threading, thanks to the built-in automatic needle threader, sewing's biggest time saver. The top drop-in bobbin is easy to insert. The clear cover allows you to monitor the thread supply as you go.
This machine is easy to use and packed full of features. I love the automatic thread tension, and I've never had to adjust it.
The auto tension system ensures stable stitch quality regardless of which fabric type you want to sew. Tie off decorative and utility stitches with just a push of a button. The auto-locking stitch feature ensures quality stitching and prevents unraveling. You can easily adjust the screen brightness by turning the LCD display dial.
I cannot go a day without using my Singer. What more can I say, but I love, love, love my Singer.
The Singer 9960 Quantum Stylus Sewing Machine offers performance and quality at a great value. Get yours today and unleash your own creativity.
Hi, I'm Angela Wolf, and I'm excited to tell you all about the PQ1500 SL sewing machine by Brother. This was my first Brother machine, and I still love it. The PQ1500 SL is an amazing machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. It's a high-speed, straight stitching machine sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. Up to 1,500 stitches, that's fast. What comes in the box? You'll find 7 different presser feet, plus all these accessories and tools: feed pin, fabric separator, needles, bobbins, a foot controller, knee lift, and cover. The large workspace is great for big projects, and the heavy-duty construction sets this machine apart from the rest. Adding the included wide table enables you to further expand your work area. You get 7 presser feet with this machine. Included are the zipper foot and invisible zipper foot for zipper insertions, rolled hem foot for rolled hems, general purpose foot for basic straight stitching, and for quilting, the spring action quilting foot, 1/4-inch piecing foot, walking foot, and a seam guide. Not only can this machine stitch fast up to 1,500 stitches per minute, but it has a stitch length of up to 7 millimeters for sewing and basting. Just look at that. What a beautiful stitch. Don't like thready needles? The needle threader saves time and is so easy to use. I like these convenient features. You can set your needle to remain up or down when the machine stops by engaging the automatic needle up-down mechanism. When you're done with the row of stitches, simply touch the automatic thread cutter button and both the top and bobbin threads will be cut. Your threads will also be instantly reset and are ready to go again when you are. Are you using a thicker or thinner thread in your bobbin and need to adjust your tension? Simply turn this dial a little at a time until you've gotten your ideal tension. Conveniently placed and easy to use. The bright but gentle on the eyes LED light allows you to see what you're doing, even on dark fabrics. You can set the color-coordinated feed dog adjuster and the presser foot pressure dial, allowing you to sew with ease on all types of fabric, even special ones like velvet. Setting up the Brother exclusive pin feed mechanism on your PQ1500 SL allows you to feed multiple layers of fabric under the presser foot at once with precision. I can reach right in and access the bobbin through the side cover. The PQ1500 SL uses a metal bobbin both for durability and because it holds more thread. You wouldn't want a small bobbin on a machine that moves this fast now, would you? The location of this cover makes care and maintenance around the bobbin case a breeze. Once you have a knee lifter, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The removable knee lift enables you to lift your presser foot, leaving both hands free for maneuvering your fabric. You'll get both English and Spanish operation manuals in the box too. These great built-in features on the PQ1500 SL from Brother and the included accessories will have you off and sewing in no time.
The incredibly versatile Brother CS 6000i sewing and quilting machine offers so many features and accessories, all at a very affordable price. It boasts 60 built-in, utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, each with multiple stitch functions, an oversized table for large sewing and quilting projects, and a hard cover. Included are super wide 7mm zigzag and decorative stitches. And sew fleece, elastic, and other stretchy fabrics with the built-in stretch stitches too. This model comes complete with 10 quick change sewing and quilting feet and a quilt guide. The quick change lever makes it incredibly easy to swap feet. There are 8 styles of one-step auto-sized buttonhole stitches that are automatically sized to fit your specific buttons. The included button sewing foot assists with the easy attachment of buttons. You'll love using extra large workspace created with the wide table for larger projects. The table slides on and off so quickly, and its legs are sturdy, giving you stability. Quilters also love that this machine allows them to drop the feed dogs to do free motion quilting. It comes with a selection of quilting feet, including a walking foot that's not often found on models in this price range. You'll find that the LCD screen is almost like having a personal sewing guide. If you're using the automatic buttonhole function and you happen to set it incorrectly, an error message appears on the screen and prevents you from making a mistake. It also tells you which foot to use, removing all the guesswork. The variable speed control and stop-start button allow you extra control when sewing. Enjoy the flatbed free-arm convertible sewing surface, very useful when sewing hems, cuffs, and sleeves. The advanced Easy Needle threading system allows your needle to be threaded with the touch of a lever. The exclusive Brother Quick-Set top-load bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. The see-through cover helps you keep track of your bobbin thread. Thread cutters are found on the bobbin winder, Quick-Set bobbin case, and on the machine side. The included hard case provides added protection when traveling or storing your machine. Plus, you'll love how easy the bilingual instructions are. Enjoy all the great built-in features, included accessories, and Brother support with the versatile CS 6000i from Brother.